Good morning, class 11. In accountancy class, today's our topic is accounting principles. Accounting principles means the rules which are followed in maintaining the accounting. In accounting, the different group of people are interested in an accounting system of an organization. Just suppose it, first of all, when the owner invested the money, then he wants to know the result, so that's why he is interested in accounting. So just like owner, the creditors, the suppliers, right? Creditors, suppliers, owners, employee, bankers, government interested in our accounting system. When the group of person in our accounting system, so accounting should be maintained according to some specific rules or according to some specific principles, and for that purpose the accounting is to be maintained according to some set rules, and these set rules will be known as the accounting principles, or these set rules are to be followed generally accepted accounting principles. It means these set rules are to be followed by all the group of person, by all the person in the world. So that's why these principles will be known as the generally accepted accounting principles, included in the GAAP, generally accepted accounting principles, right? So in the accounting principles, first of all, according to accounting standard 1, here is the some of the fundamental accounting assumptions or accounting concepts which are generally followed, accepted by all the people. It is included in the GAAP, right? So according to accounting standard 1, some of the concepts, some of the assumptions which are followed by all the groups, and these will be known as the fundamental accounting assumptions or fundamental accounting concepts. In this series, the number 1 is going concern concept. And according to going concern concept, this is assumed in the business that business will be exit for a long time of period in the future. गोइंग कंसर्न कॉन्सेप्ट्स के अकॉर्डिंग हम ये मान के चलते हैं कि बेटा बिजनेस जो है वो फ्यूचर में लंबे टाइम तक चलने वाला है. तो इस अजम्पशंस को लेके फ्यूचर इज नॉट सर्टेन, लेकिन हम ये मान के चलेंगे कि बिजनेस जो है वो फ्यूचर में बहुत लॉन्ग टाइम तक चलने वाला है. इसलिए ही हम अकाउंटिंग के अंदर फिक्स्ड एसेट्स को बाय करते हैं. इसलिए हम बिजनेस में ये मान के चलते हैं कि आवर बिजनेस कैन बी एग्जिट फॉर ए लॉन्ग टाइम ऑफ पीरियड इन द फ्यूचर. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी परचेज द फिक्स्ड एसेट्स, right? So that's why we purchase the fixed assets which can be used for a long time of period in the future. Suppose it, the company purchased a machinery and the estimated life of the machinery is 10 years. So we assume that this machinery can be used in the business for 10 years. So that's why we included in the accounting and providing the depreciation on it, right? So this is the example of going concern concept. And the next example of going concern concept, that is prepaid expenses. Prepaid expenses is also included in accounting. Prepaid expenses, it means the expenses which are paid in advance, paid for future. तो हम ये मान के चलते हैं कि हमारा बिजनेस फ्यूचर में भी चलेगा, इसलिए हम प्रीपेड एक्सपेंसेस की पेमेंट करते हैं. So this is our fundamental accounting concepts or assumption that the business is to be exit or run away for a long time of period. So this assumption is to be made. On the basis of this assumption, we maintain our accounting system according to some set rules, right? Then number 2 is consistency concepts, right? And according to this consistency concept, when the accounting is to be maintained for an organization, then there are some set rules, and these rules should be followed for many years, consistent in the business organization. जो अकाउंटिंग के रूल्स हमने फॉलो किए हैं, वो अकाउंटिंग के रूल्स और मेथड एक बार यूज करने के बाद काफी लंबे टाइम तक हम उनको ऐसे ही यूज करते रहते हैं, एक जैसे मेथड से ही हम अकाउंट्स बनाते रहते हैं, दैट विल बी नोन एज द कंसिस्टेंसी कॉन्सेप्ट, बिकॉज वी कंपेयर आवर बैलेंस शीट, आवर फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस ईयर्स। पिछले सालों से अगर हम अपने बैलेंस शीट की या फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट की कंपैरिजन करना चाहें तो हम इजिली कर सकें, इसलिए हम कंसिस्टेंसी अजम्पशन या कंसिस्टेंसी कॉन्सेप्ट्स को फॉलो करते हैं। और कंसिस्टेंसी कॉन्सेप्ट्स के अकॉर्डिंग इफ सम स्पेसिफिक रूल्स or the method are to be adopted for maintaining accounting, then these should be followed for many years. So that's why we can compare our accounting, right? For example, there are different methods are to be followed for calculation of depreciation, just like straight line method, diminishing balance method, provision method. तो अगर एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में स्ट्रेट लाइन मेथड फॉलो किया है तो इसको काफी टाइम तक 4-5 सालों तक स्ट्रेट लाइन मेथड ही यूज करना चाहिए, ताकि हम अपने अकाउंट्स को इजिली कंपेयर कर सकें। So when a method or a rules is to be followed for accounting, this should be consistent used in the business organization. This concept will be known as the consistency concept. Then the third fundamental assumption is accrual concept. Accrual concept means in a business organization cash transaction are to be made, but sometimes credit transaction is also made. Credit transactions are also made in the business organization, and according to accrual concept, not only the cash concept but credit should be also included in the accounting. So income whichever received or not received should be included in accounting. Expenses whichever made in cash or not made in cash included in accounting. So that's why we include the prepaid expenses, we include the outstanding expenses, we include the accrued income, right, or unearned income in the accounting. So according to accrual concept, कैश के साथ साथ हमें क्रेडिट ट्रांजेक्शन्स को भी अकाउंट्स के अंदर इंक्लूड करना चाहिए। हमें वो सभी इनकम जो हमें कैश में मिली है या नहीं मिली, हम अकाउंट्स के अंदर इंक्लूड करते हैं। वो सभी एक्सपेंसेस जो हमने कैश में पे किए हैं या नहीं पे किए, वो सभी हम अकाउंट्स के अंदर इंक्लूड करते हैं। सो अकॉर्डिंग टू accrual concept, not only the cash transaction, non-cash transactions are also included in the accounting, just like depreciation, just like outstanding expenses, just like accrued income. Right? So this is the basic assumption. Why we included cash and non-cash transaction both? Because when we want to know the truly financial position or the true profit of the organization, we should include both of the transaction, cash as well as non-cash transaction. So this is the accrual concept. So student, there are 3 basic fundamental or assumption of accounting: going concern concept, consistency concept, and accrual concept. Now you have to learn it and make notes of it. Thank you.